ACoS is too high, is your campaign organization. If you're disorganized, it's really, really hard to manage your campaigns. So do you have too many campaigns and no campaign organization? Utilize your portfolios within your campaign manager. Maybe you're not tracking changes between your optimization sessions. So maybe you just optimized that bid 2 weeks ago, but you're not checking things enough, or you didn't really track what you did last time, and now you're optimizing it again, thinking, oh my gosh, that's overspending, right? So really, I love to take little screenshots. For the first couple of weeks that I'm optimizing a campaign, I'll take little screenshots. I use a tool called Greenshot. And I'll look at, okay, this campaign's doing this is what's happening, and these are the changes that I made. And then once I get in the habit of it, then I know what I'm doing with that campaign and what I'm tracking, and it's much easier. But in the beginning, I definitely track all my changes so that as I go back through and optimize the campaign again, it's very easy to check on those things. The other thing is not using your search term reports or tracking performance between your campaigns. So a lot of people have so many campaigns and they have the same keywords in multiple campaigns, but they don't understand whether, for example, phrase match is converting better in this campaign versus exact match in this campaign, because they're not looking at the data across all their campaigns. So make sure that you're either downloading your search term reports and using those Excel filters to look across your campaigns and see what's performing where. And then managing your budget. Running out of budget is a problem. If you need to spend more, if you're converting well and your ACoS is at a reasonable level, you need to make sure that you increase your budget on those campaigns. So don't run out of budget when you first start your campaigns. And that comes with, making sure that you're not putting too many keywords in a single campaign, that you know what your budget is. You can utilize budget caps. If you're budgeting out very quickly, you can use budget caps across all of your campaigns and your campaign settings. There's a lot of different things that you could do, but make sure that you're managing your budget appropriately. And then finally, blindly using software. There's nothing wrong with using software, but so many people blindly use software. And the problem with software is that it just kind of corrects everything to one standard, and it doesn't look at what your goal was for that campaign or how relevant that keyword is to your listing. Just kind of like, oh, nope, go ahead and, so you might be missing a lot of opportunities. What I like to do is use software, but also do some manual spot checking so that I really can see what's going on between my campaigns and my goals.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.